Hi everyone, today I'll show this OWC Envoy Pro 1A. It's a external hard disk enclosure for the SSD, which fits onto the Mac systems. So this is a OWC Aura Pro X2. So this SSD is actually not universally compatible. It's actually designed especially just for Apple systems. So if you happen to actually have an old SSD from an Apple system that you want to use as an external hard disk, then this is what you get. So yeah, the formatting is different. That's why it's only compatible across their own designs. So yeah. So first off, this is the unit itself. I'm gonna show you a close up. Right, gonna make it a zoom so you can see it in more finer detail. So yeah, it's a nice metallic metal finish. Right. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up, then put in the SSD. Comes with a cable and a manual. I'll show you the manual itself. So this is what the manual says. Right, great assembly. Okay. If you desire, it's not to append on that. Okay. Alright, got it. So this is the heat sink. Just take it out, just in handy. I'm not sure if it has a heat sink though. Doesn't look like it has a heat sink. Let's check it out. Okay. Alright. Alright, first unscrew the case. Right? The screw head for this one is different than normal though. It's as written in the manual, it's a Torx screw. Right, interesting. Torx screw. I should probably do this on a table. It'd be easier. Alright, so this is what the internals look like. Alright. So I'm going to take out the SSD itself. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So this is the SSD. Not sure if that's a heat sink. Okay. I think it's not, so just gonna stick that on. Right, gonna slide in. Alright. Slot in. Alright, it's in now. Alright, there you go. Installation. Almost done. Just do a few more steps. Alright. I'm not quite sure what that strip is for though. Okay, there's a screwdriver. There's a strip here, I need to double check what is it. I'm gonna put that in. Okay. Alright, so it's fully fitted. I'm just gonna double check what is the strip for. Oh, okay, it's for this bottom here. Well, it already has one, so I guess a spare. Okay. Right then. Okay, here. Oh, okay. Had it on top of the screw, is it? Not sure if I should do that because I might wanna switch in and out. But okay, let's see. Okay, so a thermal pad, stick it on. How do I know where to stick it on? So I guess it'll be somewhere here. Somewhere to the top. I guess it'll be somewhere like this. Oh, there's a notch here. I guess it's a guideline. Okay. Oh yeah, is he here? They have two notch here. So yeah, okay. Nice. Let's begin. Oh, okay. Try peel this off. Oh, okay, what is this? Okay. I need to peel this off. Alright. Let's stick it on. Okay. Is it right? Yeah, okay. Stick it on. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna peel this. Then slide it in. Right, nice fit. Then you're gonna put on the screws. Screw it in. Alright, installation is complete. Besides the rubber stopper down there. So let's try it on. So 3M. Kind of worried that, you know, in case I want to swap it out and all that stuff. But okay, let's do a complete install this time. It's quite challenging to peel. Okay, you got it. Okay, so put it on. Right, it's now complete. So this is how it looks like. Alright, the cable. Goes in. So yeah, there you go. There goes for the installation of this unit. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. And before you go, I want to assure you and remind you that Jesus Christ was killed and resurrected. He loves you all and he heals. Thank you. Bye. God bless.